Hi, welcome to Sassy YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom. How to draw a frog. So I'm going to start off with an oval, and then on the very edge I'm going to draw two small circles, and then I'm going to try to round this off to connect. Let's go ahead and figure out what I like. I like that, and then I'm going to connect these two here. Great. So once you do that, you can turn your lines there for the pupil, and then if it starts to look sad, just round it off a little bit more. So here's a little C and a U, and I'm going to make that come down a bit more. So where do I want the mouth? I think I'm going to make it lower and then make that the mouth. Yeah, but you can choose how you want it to be. So great, let's go ahead and make two little lines coming from the end of that and a big U here. And then I'm going to make these wide. Oh, a cute little turn line there. There's wide here and here for the arms. Great. So these are like little suction cups. They look like C's or U's. And then what I'm going to do is kind of make V's and connect. See that? I have a little V there to connect. And I think that works pretty well for the feet or the toes. And so I'm making sure you can see the circle type suction cup for the feet. Let's ground it and turn these lines here. Make this a little bit longer for the, let's bring that down, a little bit longer for the feet. I'm just going to put three little rounded lines there and then connect. So stop whenever you need to. You can start to fill this in or shade it in. It looks better when you put a little bit of darkness in it or make it a value. Or you can get out your colored pencils or crayons and color it in and have some fun with this. You can start to look at pictures of frogs or toads and add more details as you think is needed. I'm going to outline this, really kind of darken my lines and redefine it. I call it redefining it because I'm going back in with confidence. So I hope you enjoyed drawing a frog, and please like and subscribe. Enjoy!